Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority NSIA affiliate, Ripple Energy Company Limited, has signed a memorandum of understanding with GIB Energy X Slovakia SRO to co-develop a state-of-the-art assembly plant in Nigeria to supply battery energy storage system. Ripple Energy Company Limited is a $500 million vertically integrated renewable energy investment platform launched in 2023 by the NSIA to drive the development, financing and operation of projects across renewable value chain, from upstream renewable technology manufacturing to energy generation and downstream distribution through sub-franchising in partnership and distribution companies. While GIB Energy Slovakia SRO, on the other hand, is a joint venture between Goan High-tech and Innobat based in Slovakia. GIB was launched at COP28 in Dubai on December 5, 2023, with a focus on the EMEA regions, offering localization platforms to suitable partners aiming to create eco-hubs and battery value chains to meet the demand for e-mobility and for green energy from stationary battery energy storage systems. It was also noted at the Memorandum of Understanding signing that when the plant becomes operational, it will focus on providing locally assembled battery energy storage system to support Ripple's renewable energy investment to supply commercial and industrial demand for 24/7 electricity supply. It was also noted that the initiative has the potential to transform Nigeria's energy landscape and propel the nation's journey towards economic prosperity, fueled by responsible renewable energy practices utilizing solar generation and distributed smart grid. Investors and promoters noted that the project is expected to leverage GIB's advanced technology and expertise as well as Ripple's local knowledge and excellent project execution capabilities to catalyze the development of localized battery energy storage ecosystem, facilitating the widespread deployment of renewable energy technologies and expanding access to energy. Also, the plant will look to export to other regional markets, positioning Nigeria as a key player in the renewable energy supply chain and providing a vital source of foreign exchange. Nigeria's energy transition plan emphasizes the need for expansion of the nation's generation capacity and ramping up of renewable-backed electrification to facilitate decarbonization across various sectors of the economy. GIB and Ripple said they will join forces to utilize Goan's LFP's technology to fast-track Nigeria's energy transition towards net zero. The quest for energy transition has resulted in increasing demand for renewable energy solutions and complementary battery storage systems for commercial and industrial demand as efficient alternatives to address the country's energy deficit. Presently, the demand for battery storage systems has largely been met through import from Europe and China, with attendant pressure on the country's limited foreign exchange. Ripple and GIB companies said they were both committed to establishing an end-to-end battery value chain in Nigeria, starting with assembling and progressing to full-scale manufacturing and recycling. This holistic loop approach, they said, would ensure sustainability throughout the battery life cycle, from mining to recycling, thereby minimizing environmental impact and promoting resource efficiency. Ripple, an indigenous company in Nigeria, actually noted that its goal is to help build Nigeria's industrial base, commencing with this comprehensive battery manufacturing. It is also committed to ensuring that its operations are efficient and sustainable. It also believes that the partnership will be pivotal in advancing Nigeria's clean energy infrastructure and fostering long-term environmental stewardship. GIB Energy, on the other hand, noted that Nigeria is an exciting and fast-growing market hungry for electricity. Ripple's strategy is key in meeting Nigeria's increasing energy demand and overcoming the inadequacy of the traditional energy networks and infrastructure through the firm's renewable energy solutions, complemented by energy storage. To further explain, Goan High-tech Company, the mother company to GIB, was established in 2006 with its headquarters in Hefei, Anhui Province, China. Goan High-tech Company Limited, as one of China's pioneering enterprises in the independent development and manufacture of new energy batteries. Goan's primary focus is on lithium-ion phosphate materials and cells, ternary materials and cells, power battery packs, battery management systems, and energy storage battery packs. Its products are extensively used in electric vehicle sectors, encompassing passengers, commercial, specialty, and light-duty vehicles. Goan High-tech has a prominent position in the BESS sector, providing comprehensive solutions to its energy storage customers. Goan EMEA, a wholly owned subsidiary of Goan High-tech, is incorporated in Slovakia. As you all know, Nigeria's energy transition plan emphasizes expanding the nation's generation capacity and increasing renewable-backed electrification to facilitate decarbonization across various sectors as earlier stated. The growing demand for renewable energy solutions and complementary battery storage systems as efficient alternatives to the country's energy deficit underscores the importance of these initiatives. Currently, this demand is largely met through import from Europe and China. Currently, 40% of an electric vehicle cost comes from the battery, and by 2030, most new vehicles in the world will be electric vehicles. In the industrialized world, there will be no more new fuel-powered vehicles. Combustion engine cars will be phased out. It was in the recognition of this that Britain announced that it had attracted Tata of India to set up a £4 billion lithium battery plant somewhere in UK, reportedly offering hundreds of millions of pounds sterling in incentives. In Africa, the race is on, however muted it may seem at this point. For example, reports indicate that 5 African countries with some of the world's largest deposit of lithium reserves, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Ghana, the DRC and Mali, have commenced lithium projects at various stages, the most aggressive being Zimbabwe, which is why Nigeria cannot afford to be a bystander or contemplate repeating its chaotic and heart-rending experience in steel production again. It is in this regard that Nigeria's foreign partners find Nigeria's bold move commendable, especially coinciding with the aggressive new thinking emerging in the UK about the strategic importance of being a hub for the processing of this commodity. The Nigerian government must also take the matter seriously by providing the support potential investors may require. Nigeria at this point must also seize the initiative in becoming a global technological player and shape its own economic fortune. Most of the countries buying our crude oil today will no longer need fuel for their vehicles in the future. It would be wrong for our government to lock other ways and allow our raw materials such as lithium and phosphate to continue to be exported in raw forms to foreign factories when we could get lithium manufacturers to establish their chain of plants on Nigerian soil. After all, we not only have extensive raw materials, we also have talent that could work in these factories. Establishing such plants in Nigeria could help to reduce our bogus unemployment through creation of real permanent jobs. One major advantage Nigeria has over other countries like Britain is our cheap labor. We have a youthful and educated population that could easily be channeled to make Nigeria an industrialized country like the Asian tigers. Should Nigeria compete and export lithium batteries to the global electric vehicle market, the country will not only save scarce foreign exchange but also generate ample foreign exchange that will boost the gross domestic product and Nigeria's overall economic performance. Also, further support for foreign investors in relation to their most recent initiatives would also help build a technological base that could produce capital goods for the automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, agro-allied and other industries. To be candid, this is the right way forward as Nigeria struggles to build a new economic future to replace the global use of fossil fuel, which is presently central to our economic well-being. Guys, do well to drop your honest comment, tell us what you think about this project. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.